Hello everybody, I hope you're all doing well and I hope you're having an amazing day, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a business page on LinkedIn, so let's get right into it. So LinkedIn is a social media for business people and businesses to communicate with one another, whether it be for jobs or to exchange experiences and so on and so forth. You can also use it as an online resume and things like that. You can also create a network of people with whom you can communicate and chat with via the messaging service. You can also share posts, share articles, and yeah, a lot of useful things in general. However, if you want to actually create a business page, you do it by following these instructions, which I will give you now. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my home page, and what you want to do is to click on the For Businesses page icon in the top right. By clicking on that, you will get this pop-up page, and what you want to do is go to Create a Company page, and here you want to select what you want to do. We want to create a company page, so click on Company, add the name, so let's just say Tutorial. And that is pretty much it. This is a public URL, so just modify it a bit. Add a website if you so choose. It is not required. Add the industry, let's say meat production, and click on that. Select the size, let's say 0 to 1 employees, since I am the only employee. Organization type, public company. Enter all the actual info that you want. Click create a page, and then it'll be created. That is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in another video.